Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 5 for the subject of General Science, chapter number 9, Work and Energy, of your textbook titled New Trends in Science, Evergreen Publications, and is being submitted to you on 21st December 2020. Children, in the last lesson, we have discussed some forms of energy like mechanical energy, chemical energy, heat energy, light energy, and sound energy. Today, we are going to discuss some more types of energy. Let us begin with electrical energy. Electrical energy is one of the most used form of energy today. It is on this energy that most of our electrical appliances make use of. This energy is supplied to our homes from power stations. It is either generated using heat energy by burning coal or potential energy of water at dams or kinetic energy of wind. For example, the electrical bulb changes electrical energy to heat and light energy. The loudspeaker changes electrical energy to sound energy, and the electrical motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Next type of energy is magnetic energy. The energy possessed by a magnet is known as magnetic energy. For example, magnets are used to make a tight seal on the doors of refrigerators. Magnets are used to store data in computers and are important in scanning machines called MRI, which doctors use to look inside people's bodies. The full form of MRI is magnetic resonance imagers. Now, the next form of energy is muscular energy. The energy stored in the muscles of our body is called muscular energy. We use muscular energy of animals to run horse carts and bullock carts. Our muscular energy enables us to walk, run, ride a bicycle, and do plenty of other useful work. Now, children, let us talk about renewable and non renewable sources of energy. Let us first take renewable sources of energy. Those sources of energy which are inexhaustible and can be replenished in a short period of time are called renewable sources of energy. I repeat, those sources of energy which are inexhaustible means they can be used over and over again and can be replenished in a short period of time are called renewable sources of energy. Sun is the main source of energy on the earth. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. This energy is used to generate electricity using solar cells and solar panels. Solar energy is used for heating water for domestic use and for drying agricultural products. Wind energy. Windmills are wind's kinetic energy to generate electricity. Children, India has the fourth largest installed wind power capacity in the world. Mufandal Wind Farm in Tamil Nadu with an installed capacity of 1500 megawatt is the largest wind farm in India. Now, next renewable source of energy is biomass energy. Biomass is organic material which has stored sunlight in the form of chemical energy. Biomass fuels include wood, wood waste, straw, cow dung, and many other byproducts from a variety of agricultural processes. Biomass is considered a renewable energy source because its inherent energy comes from the sun and it can regrow in a relatively short time. Trees take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and convert it into biomass. And when they die, it is released back into the atmosphere. Now, next is hydropower energy from water. Hydropower is a clean, renewable, and reliable energy source which converts kinetic energy from falling water into electricity. The potential energy stored in a water body held at a given height is converted to kinetic energy, which is used to turn a turbine and generate electricity. Children, India has taken the initiative to bring together a global effort of nearly 120 countries to increasingly use renewable sources of energy and thus help in reducing pollution and global warming. Isn't it appreciative? Yes. Now, Let us discuss non-renewable sources of energy. Those sources of energy which are exhaustible and cannot be replenished in a short period of time are called non-renewable sources of energy. I repeat, those sources of energy which are exhaustible and cannot be replenished in a short period of time are called non-renewable sources of energy. For example, coal, natural gas, petroleum. These are also called fossil fuels because they were formed from the dead remains of plants and animals over millions of years by the action of heat from Earth's core and pressure from rocks and soil. We use all these sources of energy to generate the electricity we need for our homes, factories, and schools. Electricity powers our computers, refrigerators, washing machines, and air conditioners, to name only a few here. We use energy to run our cars, to cook food. So, energy is in everything. We use energy to do everything we do, from baking our favorite cookies to sending astronauts into space. With this topic, we have completed our chapter. Kindly go through the whole chapter again so that you can understand it well. Also, do worksheet 2 as your home assignment. Thank you, children.